May 28, 2013. Andrew and Nathan. Andrew is teaching Nathan at the skateboard. Let's see. See, I can't see them right now. They're coming. There. There. Yay, he did it.
Want me to show me again?
Yeah.
Want me to show you again?
Show me how you stop it.
Like that.
Show it.
I mean, when you... Oh,
Okay.
that's how you do it.
Alright.
One had torn.
Yeah. Show me how to turn.
You do this. Then when you go like... Then you put more weight on that side. And then you do that, you go like that.
Okay.
You have to use all your strength to turn it like that. Or you, to do it more safety, you can do it on the ground like this.
Okay.
And Mom, can you please put it on the YouTube?
Well, we'll ask Daddy about that.
Okay, thanks.
Alright.
I'm gonna go for my next one. You wanna see it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do